Shri Parashakti Vidyala CBSE Class 7th Subject English.
Good morning, my dear students. In these previous classes, we have seen lesson 2, A Gift of Chappals, part 1 and part 2. I hope you all understood the lesson clearly. So, I already gave a homework to you two about the discuss the question answers. It means find out the answer for the book back questions. I hope you all done that. So in this class, we are going to write the question answers in the class note. Now, all of you take your English note and be ready for it. So your handwriting should be very neat. At the same time, without mistake, you should write in your English note. Okay. Question number 1. Describe the music teacher as seen from the window. Answer. The music teacher was bony and bald-headed. He had an old-fashioned tuft on his head and a gold chain round his thick neck. He wore a diamond ring on his hand. Q2. There are two questions. The first question, what makes Mirdu conclude that the beggar has no money to buy chappals? Answer, the large blisters on the beggar's bare feet made Mirdu conclude that he had no money to buy chappals. Question number 2, the second question, what does she suggest to show her concern? Answer, she suggests that an old pair of chappals should be given to him. Question number 3. Have you children? She began, and then, seeing they were curiously quiet, went on more slowly. Seen anyone lurking around the veranda? So from there, they are asking three questions. First question, what do you think Rukmani really wanted to ask? Answer, Rukmani really wanted to ask the children if they had hidden the chappals. Second one, why did she change her question? Answer, she changed her question because she thought it was children's missive. Q3, the third one, what did she think had happened? Answer, she thought that children had given it to someone. Question number 4, on getting Gobo Mama's chappals, the music teacher tried not to look happy. Why? Answer, on getting a gift of new chappals, the music master was really happy, but he did not try to show it. He did not want to expose his greed. Question number 5. On getting a gift of chappals, the beggar vanished in a minute. Why was he in such a hurry to leave? Answer, the beggar knew that the children had given him slippers without seeking the permission of the elders. He feared that the slippers might be taken back from him, so he left the house in a hurry. Question number 6. Walking towards the kitchen with Mirdu and Meena, Rukmani began to laugh. What made her laugh? Answer, Rukmani laughed to think how Gobu Mama would react to know that his slippers had been given away to the music master. That's all, my dear students. We have completed the lesson 2 question answer today. So the next class, you just read the next poem, The Rebel, in your textbook. So read the poem clearly. I'll teach it on the next class. Thank you. So write it properly in your English note.